Hi, welcome to automationtesting.in. In this video, we are going to see a sample Java program using FABRICATOR. For this, we'll go to the same site and we'll take the dependency from the here to get the jar files into our IntelliJ and paste in the dependency section. And for 2.1.5, I did not get the jar file, so I'll change it to 2.1.4 and save. So it added the jar files. So I'll create a sample Java class called FABRICATOR test data generator. Click OK and we'll write a normal program. Public static void main string args and we need to create a contact class object contact from the FABRICATOR. So FABRICATOR dot contact, we need to create an object like this, and then we need to generate the data string full name equal to contact dot full name, and it will accept two boolean values that will come to know. I'll take by default true comma true, string first name equal to contact dot first name, string last name equal to contact dot last name, string address is equal to contact dot address, string phone number is equal to contact dot phone number, string email equal to contact dot email. Now I will print all these things into the console. I will copy paste the code from other program and let's execute the same, whether it will generate random unique data or not. You see that it is giving some random unique data and the name is miss and some PhD. Okay, when I execute the same thing here, once again, there will be a prefix and suffix, so doctor and senior, something like that. If you do not want all these things, I'll make it false. Then you will get only the full name and execute the same thing again. You see that only full name. Okay, this way you can generate random unique data using FABRICATOR API. In our next video, we will see a sample Selenium program by using FABRICATOR API to feed the data to the application for the unique fields.